This looks, feels and even smells like a totally normal dress, but with the push on this button, it turns into probably the coolest concert outfit you could imagine. And it's synced to the Taylor Swift wristbands. And in this video, I will show you how I build it for my girlfriend. This whole project started when my girlfriend asked me to build her a special outfit for her upcoming Taylor Swift concert because she had seen something similar on TikTok. Sure, I could just slap some LEDs on a dress and call it a day, but I wanted to build her something special and do it properly, so I set 3 requirements. The first requirement is the dress should look like a totally normal dress when switched off. The second requirement was it should be synced to the wristbands that you get on the concert, and the third requirement was I wanted to switch colors so you can decide which color suits the song the best to maybe suit the Taylor Swift era. I don't know. Let's go. To build the dress, I wanted to use these optical fibers that you may know from these strange lamps or from the Rolls-Royce ceiling, depending how big your paycheck is. I built a small test setup with only one LED to see how it will look and to see how good the fibers will blend in with the dress. And the results were quite promising, so I bought a whole bunch of them. Bright light, and I can shine it in here. And then the fibers light up here. Now you can see it. Oh, nice. Light whip. Nice. It's gonna look so amazing. I then took a train home to my parents because I needed some assistance with the sewing, and who could help me better with this than my beloved mother. She had the idea that we could just weave the fibers through the fabric of the dress, and this worked quite well. She also saw the pocket for the tech compartment where I put the electronics in. We then thread a pack of fibers through each strap of the dress, and then I started tingling them in the dress. We are going to start at the top and then down here. It starts lighting up because the fibers get broken or are broken here, and then you have the light point. Cut it with the scissors and then the lighter and then light it up. So, and then you have a very nice round knot. I just had to repeat the same thing for 150 times and it took a long time. After that, I took a train back to Munich the next day and started working on the electronics. I will now glue the fibers in place temporarily because the lengths aren't correct yet. But I just have to see. How it looks. Three, two, one. Oh, okay. Whoa! Super nice, okay. It works, but you see the bright spot on the one hand, I will fix that. After that, I started working on the sander, which should attach to the wristband. For that, I designed a few prototypes in CAD and 3D printed them. After I found a suitable shape, I then sorted the electronics and wrote a few lines of code to make it control the dress. I've put the latest code on the dress, so in theory we should be able to control the dress with this tiny controller now. And I will test it out for the first time. And let's just hope it will work, because otherwise, yeah, I have to troubleshoot it and I don't want to. Okay, it's connected and now I press the white button. Yes! Yes! It fucking works! It fucking works! Okay, it's so great. Okay, it should light up for 2 seconds. Okay, if I push the orange button, it lights up orange. That's great. And if I push the blue button, it lights up blue. And if I push the red button, it lights up red. Nice! Nice, 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 nice. Okay. After this successful test, I trimmed all the fibers on the dress so it's a bit nicer to wear. My girlfriend just brought a concert bracelet over, so here you see Taylor Swift Eras Tour. And to be honest, it's a bit smaller than I expected. Maybe because the girls on the pictures had very little hands, and so I got a wrong perception. But my concept should work. So this is how it will sit on your arm. Bracelet will go up here, and here I have my light sensor, which detects the flashing of the bracelet. And then you just have this on your arm, which is a bit thicker than the bracelet itself, and you have the control buttons. And yeah, it does not look too bad, and should work fine. Let's see. Accelerating to light speed. Nice. The last thing I had to do was to program the function so the dress lights up at the same time as the bracelet. Unfortunately, this took me a bit longer than I expected. It's now 11 o'clock at night. Sorry for the bad lighting. And as you can see, the dress is working with a few hiccups because I didn't attach the controller yet. And you can see I can control it now. Perfect. And if I push these two buttons at the same time, and it's synchronized if the light sensor is on the right position. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So the concert can begin. And I have to get up tomorrow at 5:30. Yay! Okay, today's the day, guys. I did some final tests for the dress, and I will now glue everything together, like this, glue this box together, and then I will deliver it to my girlfriend, and hopefully everything will work tonight at the concert. Thumbs pressed for that, and yeah, let's see. To activate the dress, you just take the little power bank, put it in the tech compartment, plug it in, put the whole thing in the sword pocket, and then you're ready to go. And it looks like a totally normal dress. Nobody's gonna know. Okay.
Nein, wie geil!
After that, my girlfriend was ready for her concert. Unfortunately, I had no ticket, so I could not come with her, and I only could hope for the best that the electronics will work and she will have a good time.